you want to skip to the exhaust sound, click right up here or go to that number and the range of the video to check out the exhaust clip. But if you want to find out what the make and how I made this exhaust sound like this, stay tuned.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
I've been having a lot of comments lately in the YouTube channel about asking what my exhaust sounds are, and well, it's pretty complicated, so I thought I'd just making a video for it. So basically the exhaust is from the cat all the way back to the axle. It is a straight pipe of 2.25 mandrel bent, so basically just normal piping, and then from there I put a Magnaflow muffler. I'll put the part number and everything down below in the description. And then from there, we went back to the OEM piping because they didn't want to go over the axle, because that's how Mazdas are made. The exhaust goes over the axle and then out the back. So we left the OEM piping, which is really bad, because we went from 2.25 dropped down to 1.75, so there's a lot of back pressure. And then back out into a stainless steel muffler tip of a 2.25. So that's the setup for the exhaust. I just wanted to let you guys know. So it's a pretty short clip of it. And I'm just gonna rev to 2,000, 5,000, and then we're gonna go all the way full rev with a few bangs on the red line, and then I'm just gonna do freestyle because there's a lot of pops that happen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and check it out. Sorry, I guess there's a lot of wind at this very time. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more mods, more builds, and more updates on the Mazda 3. I'm Roy G.